What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, like I said, I'm showing y'all this late. Y'all already saw R&B mounted up by this time or whatever, but I'm showing y'all the back process, man, of what I did. Cause like I said, I've been had this plan. I was like, man, I'm gonna mount R&B up. I'm gonna go ahead and mount R&B up, man, and I'm just gonna surprise everybody on the channel with the car mounted up. But it is a process to putting 24s on a G-body, especially a Cutlass. So I was like, I'm gonna show y'all this. If you in the BCG Hangout, you saw the process already. You ain't even really got to watch this series unless you want to, but y'all already saw it in real time when I was doing it and all of that. But let me show y'all what I got. Well, y'all already seen what I got. But anyway, yeah, what I'm doing today is we going to get the tires put on. So I'm finna go to my bro CJ shop, One Stop Wheels and Tires and More, and get the tires put on. Cause man, this 2 days after I bought the wheels, and I'm trying to be mounted up this week. I already got some parts coming. I got parts coming. So for y'all to see what I did to put them on, man, y'all stay tuned into the series or whatever. Like I said, if you're in the BCG Hangout, you already saw the whole process ahead of time. But like I said, just stay tuned. But today we putting the tires on, man, and I don't know if the parts come today or tomorrow. I think they come tomorrow. But anyway, that's what we got going on today, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Finna load these things up and catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so we checking in, man. Y'all see where I'm at, made the One Stop, man. One Stop Wheels and Tires and More out here. Fam, keep the cars out here. Y'all make sure y'all hit the number. Boom. There it is right there. All the wheels you want. We finna get mounted up. We'll get the tire mounted up today. So you know, this is what we got going on. And look, y'all, I know y'all know that dually right there, the truck guard down here. CJ, not CJ. We got CJ and KJ. So you know, y'all make sure y'all go follow Cool Car KJ, man. He down here too, making moves. So yeah, I'm finna get these things out, turn y'all back on, cause it's cold, and catch y'all. Y'all see, I told y'all the truck guard over here, man. Y'all make sure to go subscribe. Cool Car KJ. Yes, sir. Checking out the wheels. Oh yeah, you doing it big right here. Yeah, they gonna look good, man. Y'all, like I said, y'all seeing it late. I'm just showing y'all the after process, but y'all already done saw the car mounted up. But if you're part of the BCG Hangout, you would have saw this already. You know, you would saw this stuff already. So that's what we got going on today. These things mounted up. The box tore all up on that one, y'all. That's why it's out the box. What you think, KJ? Thing gonna look pretty good.
That's gonna look nice. You gonna put them on at the house? Like when you put the tires on, you gonna mount them at
nah, cause I gotta get frame knots. You know, I got C-knot the frame, so lawless. Gonna do that. Then we're gonna put the I got the QA1 Carlos. Gonna raise the ride height up. So they coming in. They coming in tomorrow. So.
They gonna tuck real good up on that.
Oh yeah, man. I can't wait. I can't wait, man. So yeah, man, we finna One Stop. CJ finna get me right. Getting tired from him. Like I said, y'all hit him up. Y'all saw the sign, information. Located in Winterville, Georgia. Man, he get you right. Any wheel, all of that too. Small to big. So y'all just stay tuned. Oh, and the crack pudding. Y'all gotta check him out. I'm gonna put his Instagram on screen right now too, so y'all check him out on Instagram as well. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so did the update, y'all, that we got going on. So either way, worst case scenario, I'm ready to get around this week, BCG crew. Now, like I said, I ain't gonna put this on the other channel for what. But like my fam CJ can get one either way in 3 to 4 days, so we'll still have one this week no matter what. I have to let him know before 1 o'clock. I'm gonna let him know before we leave. So we got about an hour, 15 minutes. I'm waiting on the guy, Brandon, to hit me back. So I can see if he'll be able to get one without without having to pay, which he should be, cause that they mistake. But even if he can't, like I said, I just go ahead and buy an extra one from my fam CJ, and we'll get it. Ain't no big deal. Oh, probably like, man, that crazy. Nah, I write it off, man. Don't be tripping. Yeah, right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Shit. CJ, you want this? You display wheel. Yeah, he went. CJ wanted his ass, man. I can't do nothing with that. For real.
You had your field wheel in the trunk.
A field wheel. Hey, we ain't doing that.
They went there, hit me some traction.
Hey, I'm telling you, boy. Nah, we ain't doing that. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do with this thing, y'all. But I don't know. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna know something in a little bit. All right, checking in, y'all. Look, man, I showed y'all these wheels earlier. I forgot. I was looking at them and said they look familiar. These cool car KJ wheels, man. But y'all go check them out on the channel. Y'all, I'm pretty sure most of y'all already seen though. Cause he showed y'all, man. Them thing gonna look tough on that Impala, man. He got some tires, boy. Thing wide. So yeah, man, it's gonna be clean, man. Some nice wheels, man. So we getting them all done. He balanced them now. Just got this one done, so I'm gonna start throwing them in the back, y'all. And get back to the house. I'll turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. So y'all see, well, I've been made it back to the house, but then, man, I thought about it. I said, I ain't even closed the video out, man. So I gotta tell y'all what I ended up doing about the rim, man. And like I said, I'm shooting this stuff. Y'all seeing it late, but I'm still shooting it, so y'all see the process and everything. But man, so I had went ahead and ordered the wheel from my fam CJ before I left the shop. I ordered the wheel, right? So 5 minutes before, I was 5 minutes from the house. Basically, I was 5 minutes from the house, and then the guy texted me back saying the rim shop he got the wheels from, they got the rim. So I called CJ and said, hey, just cancel, don't worry about it. So he was like, cool. And so we did that. And then later on, man, you know, he was telling me, and this actually a couple of days later, I'm back at the house, obviously, but this a couple of days after the last clip y'all watched. I was just getting ready to edit it and realized I didn't close it out. So, but anyway, so 2 days went by, which, like I said, it's a couple of days after I went to shop. But this the day of, and I was supposed to meet the guy again that I bought him from, which he said he got the rim. He ended up getting the rim the first day. I was supposed to meet him yesterday, but then he said the guy that owns the wheel shop had the wheel at his house, and he didn't get a chance to meet up with him. So that one day went by, and I'm trying to get this junk done, man. But then today I was supposed to meet him again. He said he had the wheel, and I had told him yesterday. I like, man, if the man keep getting you to run around, don't worry about it. I just buy a wheel. He was like, man, I ain't gonna let you do that and all that. I promise you, I'm gonna get the rim tonight or first thing in the morning. So he hit me up this morning, like what my schedule looked like. I told him, and I ain't never hear nothing back from him, man. When it got about 5, 6 o'clock today, I ain't hear nothing back from him. So I called my friend CJ and said go ahead and order the wheel, man. So we got the wheel on the way. Hopefully it come on in, but we got it on the way. We got it on the way. I went ahead and paid for another wheel, and I'm just gonna keep the one I got, man. I use it for something else. I'm gonna keep it. I'll just buy 3 more and use it for something else. But anyway, now I got an extra wheel, a 5x5 wheel. But like I said, I might keep them and use them for meets later on down the line or something. But we got a wheel on the way. So like I said, y'all seeing this late because I'm basically I done showed y'all at the point y'all looking at this. I done showed y'all the car, but y'all just didn't see. Y'all just now watching the backstory of what I had to do and the process and all that stuff. And y'all done seen y'all should have been done seen Lawless video, cause he was supposed to shoot a video showing the process and all that. So y'all probably saw that by now too at the time y'all watching this. But like I said, I'm just filming all this behind the scene, showing y'all. Now, if you're in the BCG Hangout, you already saw all this stuff. You been saw all this stuff the day it was happening. But yeah, man, that's what happened. That's what basically happened. Like I said, got to the shop, got the tire put on, man. Then my boy Cool Car KJ noticed that the wheel was different, 5x127, and that's what happened, man. And it ain't on the guy I bought them from, man, cause I bought the wheels from a guy in South Carolina. He actually knew my video, knew who I was and stuff too. Shout out to him. The wheels brand new. Wheels are brand new out the box, as y'all saw. I just basically paid what I would pay in a store to give him his money back. So, and it worked out cause it saved me from having to order some wheels or whatever, which is where I was at. I was finna just buy something new, which I ended up getting something new anyway, but I would have had to been waiting. And I love 5-spoke wheel, man. Like a Money Forge, they make some wheels that's similar like that too. And Billet Specialties, I love the 5-spoke spiral wheels too. So, man, at the time I'm shooting this, I mean, I already know they're gonna set R&B off. I ain't testing them or nothing, obviously, but I know the car gonna be crazy, man. They just gonna flow with the car. So, and at the time, y'all already seen the video, but I just know they're gonna flow with the car. I have not seen obviously, I ain't put them on or whatever, but that's what happened. That's what happened in this vlog. And I got parts coming in, man. Suspension parts to show y'all. They should be coming in. Then y'all can see what kind of parts it take to get this done. Then the stuff I'm gonna show y'all. It's gonna be a series of video, cause it's not just a matter of bolting wheels up. It don't work like that. The wheels are for a G body. They ordered for a G body, but it just don't work like that. So yeah, man, that's it. They're gonna wrap this video up, man. But yeah, appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.